Chucky. Wanna play? Hi, I'm Chucky, and I'm your friend to the end. Heidi-ho!
Hello and welcome to my channel. Let's start by blocking my brows by using this glue stick in upward motion. Then I'm using a spoolie to brush them against the skin, and this is what it looks like when they're dry. Now we're going to use this severe trauma kit, and from there I'm going to pick this modeling wax to create the many wounds and cuts that Chucky has all over his face. Here I'm using a safety pin to create fine openings all over the cracks. To create deeper wounds, you can use a small stainless steel spatula. Now let's start with the flesh painting. We're going to use this foundation over here and a fine brush to help me achieve that plastic doll skin that Chucky has. A smaller brush also helps me get more into detail in between all those cracks without messing up all the hard work that I put into creating those wounds with the wax, if you know what I'm talking about. To set the foundation in place, I'm using this translucent powder and I'm applying it all over the face and around the crack areas. To see a full list of all the products used for this video, check on the description box below. Using this battery included shade from my Chucky palettes, I drew lines to create my Chucky doll brows. Now I'm going to use the two deep colors from this cream foundation wheel to create the bruises around the eye area. Now I'm using this kind of red wine eyeshadow and I'm applying it all around the cuts to give it an infected illusion. And using the same deep colors from the wheel, I am applying it inside of all the cuts to create more depth. Now using this slightly warm tone blush, kind of like a light and medium coral, to give Chucky some color over his cheeks. Now I'm using the shade Chucky to add definition over the crease on the opposite eye that is not as bruised as the other one. Using the same shade Chucky but with a more detailed brush, I started to add the freckles on Chucky's face. To give Chucky some natural rosy lips, I'm using the shade Share Secrets from the Chucky palette and dusting it all over the lips. For the 3D stitch illusion, I used this mini stapler from Michaels and started applying each little staple one at a time over the cuts. Now that I finished the makeup, I'm going to put on this red wig that I bought at Daiso to complete the look. But before we do that, don't forget to like, share your comments, and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're not part of this awesome family yet. Thank you for watching and see you next time.
Hi, I'm Chucky. Wanna play? I don't have a problem with killing. I like a little killing now and then. What's wrong with that?